customer brought this computer in, and he is telling me every time he plays games, it shuts off. So I turn it on, and I hear this dreaded sound. Immediately, I had a feeling and knew exactly what it was. That water pump is shot. So let's check the temperatures and see why it's shutting down. Surely enough, it is overheating. As soon as I turn it on, it's hitting like 95 degrees. So we're going to have to get rid of this water cooler. Woo! As you can see, it was super dusty. All this dust is caked up on it. Make sure you clean your computers every once in a while. This is going in the trash. Then I realized the stock backplate is not there because he had a water cooler installed. So we decided to 3D print one. Got the new cooler installed and tested it out, ran some stress tests, and everything was good under load, around 60 degrees. We would put some RGB fans in there for him to give it a little more flair. If you need some help or want a new gaming computer, check us out at TuskerPCs.com.